Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have made a consolidated video containing questions asked in advanced firefighting and refresher advanced firefighting in DGS exit exam. In this video, I will explain all the questions and the correct answer for all the questions are highlighted with color green. I have made two videos for this particular course due to length of the video. For watching full video, you need to subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe to get access to both the videos. So now let's go to the main content. The first question. When using foam type of fire extinguisher on the fire in the engine room, best way is, so the correct answer is direct the foam on the bulkhead behind the fire and let it slowly spread over fire. Next question. In cargo ship, capacity of the fire pump need not exceed 180 meter cube per hour. It's true. Next. An initial attempt to extinguish a galley grease fire may be made by using, the correct answer is the range hood extinguishing system. Next question. Class D fire involves, so class D fire involves metal fire. Next question. What quantity of reserve fuel is to be available for diesel driven fire pumps outside of the main machinery space? It should contain 15 hours operation at full capacity. Next question. Minimum time duration self-contained breathing apparatus available should last. Actually, it should last for 30 minutes, but here correct answer is 20 minutes. Next question. Sliding type watertight door below the waterline should be able to close manually in how many seconds? So as per SOLAS, it should be closed between 60 to 90 seconds. Next question. Along with fixed firefighting system on tanker vessel, what else is special to them? So on tanker vessel, lifeboats are provided with a separate sprinkler system. Next question. Proper use of fire extinguisher. So the proper use is pull, aim, set and sit. Next question. When fighting galley fire caused by the cooking oil, while extinguisher you should not use. So in galley fire we should not use water and DCP both, because water is conductor of electricity and DCP leaves some residue. Next question. Why is carbon dioxide better than dry chemical powder for fighting a fire on electrical fire? So the correct answer is dry chemical leaves residue. Next question. Inert gas system shall be capable of maintaining oxygen level in cargo tanks to below. It should maintain below 8% in the tanks and at the outlet 5%. So correct answer is 8% by volume, because the question is inside the cargo tank. Next question. The sprinkler heads are spaced not more than 4 meters apart and 2 meters from any bulkhead or part of the ship side, which forms a boundary of the protected space. It's true. Next question. Aqueous film forming foam, also called all-purpose foam. It is correct. Next question. What is automated release unit? It is an electromagnetic device which keeps the door open until no fire is there. Next question. When firefighting in confined space, which fire extinguishers you should not use? So in confined space, we should not use CO2. On a fire patrol at night, you see smoke coming from a closed cabin door. What action you should do? So on any type of fire, the first action should be activate the fire alarm. So correct answer is activate the nearest fire alarm and advise breeze of the location of the fire. Next question. Onboard fire is done by. So the question is wrong. Onboard fire is extinguished by. So it can be extinguished by cooling, smothering, starvation. So correct answer is all of the above. Next question. To fight a class C fire, you should use carbon dioxide or. So we can use either carbon dioxide or dry chemical. So correct answer is dry chemical. When using a CO2 type fire extinguisher, what is the way to use it? So the correct answer is aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire and sweep from side to side. Next question is, on fires involving burning liquid, which of these extinguisher is considered most effective? So for liquid fire, most effective is foam. Why should a CO2 extinguisher be used with caution in confined areas? So correct answer is it will displace the air and reduce amount of oxygen available. Next question is, why should a CO2 extinguisher be used with caution in confined areas? So again same, it will displace oxygen. Why should a CO2 extinguisher be used? Next question, if you were put in charge of a fire team, what is the minimum number of men wearing BA sets that you would allow to enter a smoke-filled compartment? So correct answer is one man. For fire to occur, the three elements found in the fire triangle must be present. These are heat, air, and the third one is fuel. So correct answer is fuel. Next question, which of these fire extinguishing media is preferred to fight a fire in an electrical installation? The main switchboard. So it should either be a CO2 or powder. So CO2 is not here, so correct answer is powder. Next question, you are carrying out a search in a smoke-filled compartment wearing BA. At what stage should you start to make your way out of the compartment? So we should leave the compartment once the BA set warning whistle sound. Next question, what class of fire is a smoldering fire of wood, textile, paper, and other carbonaceous? So this is solid fire, which comes in category A. Next question, what action should be taken first when discovering a fire on board? So when you discover a fire, first action should be activate a fire alarm. Next question, in a mixture of flammable vapor and air, if there is too much vapor and not enough air to support combustion, we say the mixture is, correct answer is mixture is too rich. Next question, what is the minimum number of portable fire extinguisher that must be carried on ships of 100 GRT and above? This is a fact. As per SOLAS, it should be 5. Next question, which of the following is not required to be part of vessel's fire control plan? So correct answer is ventilation fan capacity. Next question, sprinkler maintenance is, no, sorry. Sprinkler main line is connected to the main seawater line. Correct, it's true. Next question, a specific document which identifies a chemical and a list its physical properties, health hazard, required controls, firefighting procedures, cleanup method, waste disposal, and the safe handling is commonly called as, this is simple, it is MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. What is the primary hazard other than fire damage associated with the Class C fire? Class C, as per this DGS e-learning, Class C is electrical fire, so another hazard is electric shock. The longer an oil fire is permitted to burn, the correct answer is harder to extinguish. Next question, which is the following is specially dedicated to receive source supplied water? So source supply we can receive with international source connection, which is provided on both sides of ship. The maximum distance between center to center of heat detectors is 10 meters. No, it's not correct. Spontaneous combustion is caused by. Correct answer is chemical action with the substance. Next question. Foam extinguishers are checked by authorized person every 5 years. No, it's not correct. It should be checked by authorized sole personnel every year. Before initiating the engine room fixed CO2 system to extinguish a major uncontrolled fire, what will be the first step towards it? So the first step should be evacuate all engine room personnel. Next question, which toxic gas is a product of incomplete combustion and is often present where a fire burns in a closed compartment? So this is carbon monoxide. Next question, a hand portable CO2 fire extinguisher is effectively in burning oil only. So correct answer is if applied promptly. Next question, in cargo ships the diameter of the fire main needs to be sufficient for the discharge of. The correct answer is 140 meter cube per hour. Which type of fire extinguisher is hard to recharge on board? So the CO2 fire extinguisher we cannot recharge on board. Fire in an engine compartment is best extinguished with carbon dioxide gas and by. So correct answer is completely closing the compartment. Next question is hydrostatic test of CO line. It's CO2 lines is carried out every 10 years. It's correct. It should be carried out every 10 years. Next question, firefighting with foam is only effective when the foam. The correct answer is when the foam completely covers the top of the burning liquid. Next question, the capacity of fire pump on a cargo ship should not be more than 180 meter cube per hour. It's correct. As per regulation, the minimum length of a lifeline should be. So as per SOLAS, minimum length of lifeline should be 30 meters. Next question, in a container ship, if the cargo hold is designed to carry dangerous goods, it should have. So it should have a fixed sprinkler and a CO2 system. Next question, if you are on watch at night in port and discover a fire in one hatch, what should be your first action? So again, first action should be sound the general alarm. Next question, the main advantage of steady steam water on a class A fire is that. The right answer is break up and cools the fire. Next question, what is the best firefighting medium on a gas tanker? So for a gas tanker, best firefighting medium is DCP. Next question, a 1200 liter SCBA bottle duration is 30 minutes. It should be minimum 20 minutes. If heavy smoke is coming from the pent locker, the first firefighting response should be, so the first response should be raise the general alarm. So it is not here, so secure the ventilation will be the correct answer. The outlet at the fire hydrant may be positioned anywhere from the horizontal to pointing, so correct answer is vertically downwards. Next, coal can have the spontaneous ignition. Yes, this is correct. Coal can have a spontaneous ignition. Next question, what is maximum allowable oxygen content within the ship's cargo tank, inert gas piping and vapor recovery system? So it is 8%. If a portable carbon dioxide fire extinguisher has been partially discharged, it should be immediately, the correct answer is, it should be tagged empty, stored separately and has to be handed over to shore personnel for recharging. Next question, during fire on board, the communication is to be. So during any emergency, communication has to be concise, precise and very short. So in this video, we will cover only this much questions. Rest other 50 questions we will cover in another video. To watch that one, you have to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Good luck for your exit exam. Link for second part is provided in the description, so please go through the description. And if you want me to make a video on some other topics, please write in the comment box. I will make another videos which you want. Okay, then thank you.